Want to grow healthy pepper plants at home? Start with good seeds or a strong seedling. Choose a container with drainage holes so excess water can escape. Fill it with rich, loose soil mixed with compost. Plant your seeds lightly, or place the seedling firmly in the soil. Place the pot in sunlight. Pepper plants need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Water when the topsoil feels dry. Keep it moist, not soaked. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks to encourage strong growth and plenty of peppers. As the plant grows, remove any yellow leaves and watch for pests like aphids. With the right care and a little patience, you'll be harvesting fresh, colorful peppers in just a few months. That's how to grow pepper plants successfully. Follow for more gardening tips.